Are you having problems with the zipper on your shoes, your bag, your jacket, or your pants? Then we have the solution to a problem that has been troubling people hundreds of years. ZlideOn is available to all kinds of material. ZlideOn is also available in different colors and different sizes and types of slides. Just simply cut off the old slider, open your ZlideOn, simply place your ZlideOn anywhere along the zipper. Put pressure on your ZlideOn until it closes. Pull your ZlideOn back over the zipper. Your formerly torn product is now ready to use. Cut away your old slide and replace it with ZlideOn. If you miss a natural start, press ZlideOn as far down the zipper as possible. Press it and pull the ZlideOn along the zipper. Your zipper is now as good as new again. With ZlideOn, you no longer have to throw away products with broken zippers. With a few simple steps, you are on your way. ZlideOn also works on portable zippers that run both ways. ZlideOn has many different ways of use. You no longer have to throw away your broken boat canopies. Use a ZlideOn instead. And you don't need to buy a new caravan tent. Use ZlideOn and your problems are solved. With 4 simple steps, you're ready. Cut away the old slide. Open up your ZlideOn. Apply your ZlideOn anywhere along the zipper. Press ZlideOn till it closes. Pull it along the zipper and you're done. Finally, a 100-year-old problem has been solved. ZlideOn handles most materials. ZlideOn is available in many different colors, as well as many different sizes and slides. Just as quick it stopped working, your zipper is now ready to use. ZlideOn has many different ways of use, so make sure to buy one for your product. With the help of ZlideOn, you no longer have to throw away a malfunctioning product. A 100-year-old problem is finally solved.